This.
Art 101 with Mr. Burgher. Well, hello. I'm Old Man Magnus, and I'm here filling in for Mr. Burgher on Art 101.
You are all my children now.
Hey, as always, we like the likes, shares, and subscribers.
Well, a boy's best friend is his mother.
Well, you know, there's a lot of confusion. Gotcha. Now, so you say you want to know some of the characteristics of romantic art? Well, here you go.
An interesting side note is that there is nothing romantic about romantic art. There are, however, a number of characteristics that romantic art have. First and foremost, this work really hinges on the emotional, and fear is the central emotion of romantic art. Other characteristics would include imagination, depiction of remote places, adventure, war, escape from rational thought, the sublime, fascination with mental illness, and personal mysticism. In terms of philosophy and literature, we see influences by Jean-Jacques Rousseau and Wolfgang von Goethe. We can hear romanticism in Beethoven's Fifth Symphony.
It's a great story.
Happy Halloween. Now that's scary.